3D Printing in China by Dylan Coley. What is 3D printing? 3D printing uses a computer-aided design to create three-dimensional objects through a layering method. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process that creates a physical object from a digital design. 3D printing involves layering materials such as plastics, biomaterials, metal, or cement, and then merging the layers together to create an object. Who is using 3D printing in China? 3D printing in China is becoming an important industry. Aerospace. Precision is critical for aircraft. 3D printing helps to reduce costs for low-volume parts. Manufacturing. 3D printing creates custom, low-volume tools and fixtures at a fraction of the price. Automotive. 3D printed parts like fixtures, cradles, and prototypes. Education. Use 3D printing to stay on the cutting edge of new technology. Why are they using 3D printing in China? The growth of 3D printing in China has been established by initiatives like Made in China 2025. This strategic roadmap aims to upgrade China's manufacturing competitiveness by investing in advanced technology and preparing the future workforce. 3D printing is a significant element of this roadmap. 3D printing will revolutionize most industries since the application is beneficial to numerous sectors. The 3D printing application includes design visualization, prototyping, architecture, education, healthcare, retail, and more. Where are they using 3D printing in China? Construction industry. China created the tallest 3D printed building in Suzhou, China. 3D printing is cheaper and can revolutionize the construction industry. Medical industry. Printing cells, human tissues, organs, and blood vessels has changed medical science and increased the life expectancy in China. Food industry. The company Foodini is creating designs, shapes, and decorations with printed food. The printed objects are edible. Manufacturing industry. Manufacturing has been improved because of 3D parts. Designing is more efficient and experimentation is faster. When are they using 3D printing in China? China is a big manufacturer and country and began 3D printing with government support in 2012. In 2015, when China released the Made in China 2025 initiative, 3D printing made the plan possible. China was on its way to world dominance in 3D printing. The Chinese government began preparing the future workforce by introducing 3D printing technologies in education. China lacks an innovative 3D printing workforce, so this is key for the country. By 2019, 78% of Chinese companies have adopted 3D printing. How to apply 3D printing to help solve issues related to sustainable development goals. 3D printing is one of the major emerging technologies that can have positive impacts. Traditional manufacturing processes can switch to 3D printing, which can reduce impacts on the planet. 3D printing can have positive impacts on the Sustainable Development Goals. SDG number 1, no poverty. 3D printing reduces the cost of making or buying products and parts. SDG number 3, good health and well-being. 3D printing has huge potential to transform the quality and accessibility of healthcare around the world, from medical devices to artificial limbs or organs. SDG number 12, responsible consumptions and productions. 3D printing produces less waste and promotes the recycling of materials to produce new products. Two truths and one lie: 3D printing applications in China. Number 1. During the COVID-19 pandemic, 3D printers were used to produce face masks, face coverings, and other PPE in China. Number 2. 3D printing represents a more sustainable way to manufacture products. Number 3. In China, 3D printed houses are produced for people to live in. Which statement is a lie?